Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials we are going to learn how to design a website for Chess Academy. So if you wanted to learn WordPress website design or how to design website with WordPress without any coding skill, without hiring any developer, or you wanted to learn how to make a professional website with Elementor page builder, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share step-by-step guideline how to start making a Chess Academy website and how you can make ready a website like this one. Okay, so I am going to share the full process with you. First of all, we are going to do an overview of this website. So I am going to open the light shot. Let's start from the top. First we designed a header section in the top, and we added a logo in the left side, menu in the middle, and a get started button. Then we simply add a professional chess related banner. In this banner we have added a text box, and here we add H2 or subtitle, then main title, then a button. Then if I scroll down, you can see that here is the 3 promo section where I highlighted the main features of this website or academy. For example, it's provide best courses. They have top coach and many members already join. Okay, then we design about section about this academy, and then their value, what about their vision, their mission and motto. And finally we added an Instagram feed, and at the bottom as usual we added the footer section. In the footer section we added basic information of this academy, then quick link, useful link, and social media and sign up button. Okay, now we have to know the step-by-step process how we can make this website using WordPress and Elementor page builder. First of all, you have to purchase domain and register for a domain and purchase a hosting. So I will share the domain and hosting purchase link. You can check out my video description. Okay, then you have to set up your WordPress website. I have already uploaded video guideline how to set up a WordPress website, so you can check out this video in my YouTube channel. So when you set up or install your WordPress on your server, then first you have to start with the theme. So I'm going to click on the themes to show you which theme we have used in this website. You can see that we have used Hello Elementor theme in this website to make it like this one. We don't use any premium theme or paid theme. Okay, so we have done the theme section or theme part. Then we have to focus on the plugins. So now we are going to find out which plugin I use in here. So I use Elementor free plugin, Element Kit Lite for header and footer, then light speed catch and comment zone, and finally WP from. So here is the 3 important plugin: Elementor Kit Lite and WP from. Okay, then we have created the required pages. This is the step number 4. Step 1, install WordPress. Step 2, install theme. Then 3, install plugins, and finally step 4, create your pages. When you have ready pages, then you have to go to the menus under the appearance where you should build your menus. So you can see that I have created 2 menu. One is main menu for header section and another for footer section. Okay, so there are 2 menu. Now we are going to start designing our header section. So how we have designed this header section? To design this header section, we take the benefit of element kit plugin. So click on this plugin, and now you can see that here is the footer and header, and I have designed a header section. Click on the edit with Elementor. There is the header section. First we take a new section, 1 row and 3 column, and there is a logo column, then menu column, then get started column, and we'll add a image in here. We add nav menu or element kit nav menu in here, then we add a button in here. Okay, now go back home page. In the same way, go to the footer section. We'll add a full width section with black background, then take a 1 row and 4 column. First column for about this academy. Okay, for this academy, then we added quick link, useful link, social icon, and subscription from, and finally at the bottom copyright section. So I hope you understand how we have designed the header and footer section. So now go to the main page, and you can see that we have added a banner. So click on the edit with Elementor. To design a banner like this one, we add a section, then add a background image under the style, then we simply add h2 or heading and h1, and here we update the typography, use outfit font family and font size 46 pixel with 600 semibold, then finally a button. Then we add 3 promo section. Here we actually add icon box and add icon, title and description, and finally we added the box shadow under the advance of icon box. So to make a design like this one, you have to go add icon box, then click on the advance and add box shadow. Looks here is the box shadow. So as we design this one, we can make others to one also. Then we have added about a section. It's super easy, just 2 column. 1 column is 50 pixel or 50% in the left side to use image, and another column in the right side we add text and button in here. And finally the our value section, this is same as this section, just different color and icon. And at the last we added the Instagram feed. Here we add a basic gallery to make a Instagram feed with Elementor free plugin. So I hope you understand the total process, how we have designed this Chess Academy website for client, and I believe you can do it by yourself right now using the free Elementor plugin and Element Kits Lite plugin, also free Hello Elementor theme. So if you want to know more about this design, then you can comment on this video and I will try to make a details video of this project. So I hope you understand. Here I just share the step-by-step guideline and process and the element, theme, plugins and other things that is required to make a Chess Academy website. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.